Cool.
Hey, good morning. Good morning. How are you?
We are fine.
How was the week?
It has been fantastic.
Now we are coming to the end of the week, right? My name is Josiah Mori, and I can see today that two of us are there. But you help me mark against your name, right? And kindly please don't mark for that person who is not there, right? Yeah. So I'll be taking you through the unit prepare material testing. Material testing. Under this, we are going to do site investigation. As engineers or students who are learning construction, when we hear site investigation, the first thing that comes in our mind is this: what kind of ground are we going to build on? What kind of information are we having about that ground before we begin the construction? Hence now, our learning outcomes. Learning outcomes. By the end of the session, one, we should be able to define site investigation, and then now again we should be able to state or give the importance of what? Site investigation. Now, that being said, I want us to think on our personal levels. Let us try and think and tell me the importance of site investigation, or before that, you tell me the definition of site investigation. Yes, what is the importance of definition of site investigation?
It's a process of finding the information in a new site before construction.
Yeah, say the process of searching what? Information. Any other trial? Any other trial? Yes, David?
It is the procedure of determining site conditions and determining how the site is before conducting any construction activity.
We have got another term, site conditions. Another term again, who else can do a trial? Characteristics of the environment. Yes, that is nice. Now, for those who are writing, site investigation is the process of collecting information about the ground. Now, what information are we trying to know about the ground? Yes, we want to do construction. Yes, we want to do some bits of construction. Now, when we are talking about the site information or site conditions, we want to get to know the types of soil, the types of soil, the types of rocks, and again we have what we call that the groundwaters. The groundwaters. Now that said, we want now to get to know now the importance of site investigation. The importance of site investigation. Now I want you to think again. The importance of site investigation. After thinking, note down. After thinking, note down. I can see you are noting down. Now share with your neighbor what you've gotten. Share with your neighbor. You can see someone not sharing. Share with your neighbor. Are you sharing? Now, I want you to tell me what you've shared on the importance of site investigation. Importance of site investigation. Yes, one.
It helps avoid land disputes.
It helps avoid land disputes. Check material stability. Another one. Yes, protect the environment. Yes.
Identify groundwater conditions.
Identify groundwater conditions. Good. Let me add on you something. It also helps improve safety. Why? Because we've now known the types of soil, the types of rock, and the type of groundwaters we have. It will help us determine the type of foundations. Now, I want us to give you a follow-up activity that I will require a class relative to bring to me before the next class. Now, I want you to identify the types of foundations in different types of soils. Thank you so much. God bless you.